Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Chrome green screen while playing YouTube. So while you are watching YouTube on Google Chrome and this turned into a green screen, so that could be very annoying because that can interrupt you from watching your favorite videos on YouTube in Google Chrome. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is you need to close the Google Chrome, and then in the Windows search bar, you need to open it again. Type here Chrome. Click on it under the best match. Then you need to locate the three dots on the top right corner. This is to customize and control Google Chrome. Simply scroll down and look for settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. In the list of options on the left pane, scroll down and you will find system that's under accessibility. Then you will find here use graphics acceleration when available. If this is enabled on your Google Chrome browser, just simply switch this off or turn it off or disable it and then click on relaunch. Now once you click on relaunch, then you have to click on this plus sign symbol and then type here YouTube. Hit enter and then click on it from www.youtube.com. And then just continue watching and searching for your favorite videos and movies in the YouTube app, so in Google Chrome. Now once this is done, just simply close this. So that's it. That's how you can fix Chrome green screen while you are playing or watching YouTube on Google Chrome. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.